Hello guys, have you ever wondered what type of RAM your PC has? In this video I am going to show you how to check a specification of your PC's RAM and what does performance means. So watch till end to know more. So on the number 5th is PC2 RAM, that is DDR2, which was used 10 years back and the voltage was 1.8. Now it is no longer used, it is outdated. So on the number 4th we have PC3. The maximum capacity was around 16 to 32 GB. You can find out the notch which is little bit inside compared to DDR2. This is also outdated. Maximum it was up to 5th generation. On number 3rd we have PC3L, which runs on 1.35 volts, which is little higher efficiency than PC3. The capacity is 16 to 32 GB, depends upon processor and motherboard, and runs on 4th to 7th generation laptop. On number 2nd we have PC4, that is DDR4, which runs on 1.2 volts, most commonly used on these just laptops starting from 7th to 12th generation. On number 1 we have PC5 RAM that runs on 1.1 volts. The capacity ranging from 64 to 128 GB or maybe more, starts from 12th generation to up to date. To get more information, please subscribe my channel.